trick to the fun today. Meet our animal friends, we'll learn and play. In French we'll call them by their names. Join in the fun, it's a learning game. Cow is fresh, she says moo. Horse is gibble, how about you? Sheep is molten, soft and white. Pig is kosher, pink and bright. Let's visit the zoo and see who's there. Animals from everywhere. In French we have names too. Come along and learn a few. Elephant is elephant, éléphant. Lion is lion, lion. Roar along, roar along. Monkey is cinch, such swinging free. Giraffe is giraffe, as tall as can be. Bird is oiseau, lying high. Fish is poisson, swimming by. Cat is chat, purring loud. Dog is Shiam, barking proud. Cow is bash, she says moo. Horse is gibble, how about you? Sheep is molten, soft and white. Pig is kosher, pink and bright. Now you know their names in French. Learning with animals is really the best. Sing this song and you will see French is fun as can be.